In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable stickers on your TikTok video. So first, open up your TikTok app. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, go to your profile. Once you have been on your profile, click on that video you want to turn on or off the stickers. Then click on the bottom right for the three dots and then click on privacy settings. From there, scroll down until you see allow stickers. Now, if it's blue like so, that means people can add stickers. If it's gray, now people can't add stickers, so that you know when it's on or when it's off. That's when it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.